Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Urbanista earbuds, Urbanista Paris, with your MacBook. So first of all, we have to click and hold on this both sensors right here to power on our headphones. So let's do this. Indicator will lights up, and also you can click and hold one more time to move it to the pairing mode. So I'm gonna click and hold and put it close to my ear. Okay, as you can see, in my case, they just go to the pairing mode automatically. So we just have to select the Urbanista Paris Earbuds. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.